G'day everybody, it's Weedy here up on the hill, and it's been 4 days since the live show, and it's a special moment now that I thought I'd start the camera recording to show you that I'm going to call the winner. Finally she answered her emails and I've got it here. I've got her number right here. I've just got to find it. I'm a bit excited now. I should have had it ready. Here we go. Ready? So I'm going to call Jodie. Yeah, it's on loudspeaker. I might just get the microphone. Okay, we're calling her. I wonder if she's going to take the phone.
Hello, Jodie speaking.
She did take the phone.
I did.
I've got the GoPro recording, just so you know.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, Jodie. Hi, Jodie.
Hi. I can't believe it. What a morning.
Yeah. Now, you've been away for the weekend or something, I guess, because you haven't seen your emails.
Well, partly you were right on the online when you said she's probably in the garden. It was such a beautiful weekend. I was in the garden. So yeah, I did not check I was unplugged over the weekend and I didn't see. I'm so sorry.
No, that's okay. Now I can sleep at night again.
Yeah. I'm so excited though. I can't believe it.
Well, congratulations first of all.
Thank you. Thank you.
So I'm just curious, did you just happen to check your emails this morning, or did someone contact you?
No, the beautiful community, it passed those social posts around and it hit a community notice board locally, and then the sister of one of my workmates actually rang her sister and said, "Is this your workmate? You better get her to check her emails." And that was how it got to me.
Oh, that's good. Finally. I wonder when you would have checked your emails anyway. It wasn't in your spam folder, was it?
It wasn't, no. It was in there, and I probably would have checked later today because it's unusual for me to go a few days. But I did. I had an unplugged weekend and just didn't look.
That's good. Yeah,
it's so strange, but here we go. Here I am.
There's actually a few Jodies with the last name that you have in the area. So one of the other Jodies with the last name as you, she messaged me and she says, "Oh, is it me you're looking for?" And I say, "Do you know the Weedy Garden?" She says, "No." I said, "Well, it's probably not you." And then, but she knew you obviously. So the lady with the same exact name as you knows you as well. So
yes, we've crossed paths quite. We actually I inherited a job in the same organisation that she used to work in, and we had lots of bungles with emails and all sorts of things. I bet. Yeah. It's a tricky thing.
I'm sitting out in the garden down in the swales at the moment, and it's just started to rain, so I'm recording in the rain right now.
Oh, half your luck. We could do with some.
Yeah. We'll have a little talk in a second, but I'm just going to close the camera off now and tell everyone that we finally found you and that it's you.
Thank you so much.
So I'll say cheerio for this video, and I'll catch you on the series that we do when we make over Jodie's garden down in Closely. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll just turn the camera off.
Amazing. I just can't believe it. I love my garden and I give it a red hot try, but I absolutely have got so much I can learn, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Awesome.